here we have Marley's family who did the 21-day program. So what prompted you to seek training?
Marley was getting to be extremely rambunctious, was starting to only listen to commands when he wanted to, not when we wanted things to be done. And we had some medical issues and weren't able to keep up with his training as well as we were doing before that. So we asked for help in our local community before it got out of hand.
Awesome. Okay, and what was your experience like with Sunnidale from the time that you initially contacted us up until today, your go home?
It's been absolutely fantastic. Everybody we've spoken to, everything we've seen online, other people's experiences, just gave us very positive feelings about our choice in coming here. And coming back last week for our little bit of training was amazing. You know, just amazing, and I don't think we could have had a better person than what Daryl was.
And you're happy with the facility and his
Everything.
accommodations while he was here?
Everything, yes.
Great.
Yep.
Great. And do you feel like it was worth the investment? We do know that it's quite expensive and also time-wise too, it's quite a commitment.
It is, and he's been away for quite a spell. We were kind of lost without him at the beginning, but no, it's well worth every day. I would do it again, and I would recommend it to anyone.
How is the training structure and routine that has been implemented by Daryl for Marley going to improve your day-to-day?
Just watching how he responded to either of us outside with some of the commands and so on, it's completely the opposite to what he used to be at home. It's just not the same at all. So we expect that now we can get a lot more pleasure from our fur baby.
Yeah, and just
enjoy him a little bit more, yeah, whereas before it was becoming so frustrating.
Great. And do you feel like you have gained the confidence to keep it going and to continue on with the training and practice at home?
Yes. I know we're not going to be Daryl's caliber right off the bat, but he's given us a lot of good advice and suggestions and shown us what to do to correct. So I think we've gotten enough to get us going. And the fact that he's available on the other end of a phone to say we can do a setup to come back if we're experiencing some problems is one of the great things about the program.